Hello students, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our GK class for standard 5. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 15, some world famous rivers, right? So for that you open your textbook on page number 43. This chapter is given. In that exercise A, what is the heading? Put a tick right mark for each correct answer. Right? First question in that, the Danube is in. Danube is the name of river. So where this Danube is in? Answer will be Austria. Second, the Tiber is a famous river in. Answer will be Italy. Third, river Nile is in. Answer will be Egypt. Fourth, river Seine is in. Answer will be France. Fifth one, Saint Lawrence is a famous river in. Answer will be Canada. Sixth, river Rhine is in. Answer will be Germany. Seventh, river Elbe is in. Answer will be Germany again. Eighth one, the Thames is in. Answer will be England. Ninth, the Tigris is in Iraq. And tenth one, the Yamuna is in. Answer will be India. Right, so these are the name of river and where it is, there we have to mark in answer. Clear? Now exercise B, cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. First one, Vijayawada is built on the bank of Krishna or Kaveri. So right answer is Krishna. So you will put a line on Kaveri and a small mark of cross you will put. Clear? Now next one. Second is Kolkata stand on dash, or we can say Ganga or Hooghly river. So correct answer will be Hooghly. So you will cancel Ganga. Right? Third, Lucknow is on the bank of Mahanadi or Gomti. Then correct answer will be Gomti. So which one you will cancel? Mahanadi. Right? Fourth one, Patna is situated on the Ganga or Yamuna. Then answer will be Ganga. Srinagar stands on the bank of the Jhelum or Narmada. Then answer will be Jhelum. Sixth one, Tiruchirappalli stand on the river Kaveri or Godavari. Then correct answer will be Kaveri. So you will cancel Godavari. Seventh, Mathura is built on the bank of Sabarmati or Yamuna. Then correct answer will be Yamuna. So you will cancel Sabarmati. Eighth one, Cuttack stand on the bank of Mahanadi or Jhelum. Then answer will be Mahanadi. You will cancel Jhelum. Now Cuttack is a name of city which is located in Odisha. Clear? Ninth, Delhi stand on the bank of Chambal और यमुना. दिल्ली जो है वो कहाँ पे है? यमुना रिवर के पास या चंबल रिवर के पास? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज यमुना. 10th one, Guwahati is on the bank of river Godavari or Brahmaputra. Then correct answer is Brahmaputra. Right? Now C exercise. Name the city on the banks of the following rivers. Choose from the box. Now in the box you will write down the number of answer. Right? So first one is Nile. So Answer of this is Alexandria. Second, Ravi. Answer will be Lahore. Then third, Thames. Answer will be London. Fourth, Hudson. Answer will be New York. Fifth, Tiber. Then answer will be Rome. Sixth, Danube. Then answer will be Belgrade. Seventh, Seine. Then answer will be Paris. Eighth one is Rhine. Then answer will be Bonn. Ninth, Elbe. Answer will be Hamburg. And 10th, Godavari. Then answer will be Nasik. Understood, children? In your question, the name of river is given, and in your answer, you have to write that particular name of river is located in which city. Right? तो आंसर में आप लोगों ने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? Cities के name. Right? Now, last exercise of our chapter 15. In which state of India are this river? इंडिया के कौन से स्टेट में ये रिवर है वो हमें मार्क करना है और यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर मार्क करना है. सो रिवर ताप्ती इज इन यूपी और गुजरात. आंसर विल बी गुजरात. पेरियार इज इन केरला और तमिलनाडु. देन करेक्ट आंसर इज केरला. रिवर नर्मदा इज इन मध्य प्रदेश और आंध्र प्रदेश. आंसर विल बी मध्य प्रदेश. फोर्थ वन, Mahanadi is in Punjab or Odisha. Then answer will be Odisha. Fifth and last one, river Gomti is in UP or Bihar. Answer will be UP. Clear? So here we are completing this video session. You will complete this answer in your textbook with pencil only. Now we will meet in next video session. Till that, bye, thank you and take care.